Romeo 615 videos. So yo, how hard is it to use Act-One? Well, I'm here to tell y'all it's super simplistic. You come over, grab you an image, slide him over, crop him up. You come over, you grab your input video, you slide it over, you hit the generate key. Few minutes.
Short film, not no little artsy stuff, like some
Come on,
real
y'all.
deal stuff. Like, I want to do a little film.
on,
though,
y'all,
where
like, yo.
it tackles.
We in the future, y'all. Like RunWayML have came out with the consistency that we were looking for. Here you can see 3 different clips, all 30 seconds. I'm able to get the consistency, outfit consistency. This is a game changer, y'all. This is for all of my content creators, comedians, skit writers. I mean, fashion people. I mean, anybody who has a reason to have an avatar dressed the way you want them and talking the way you want them. Come on, y'all. It's here. And it's only available on Runway. If you ain't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? And I don't catfish. I don't get paid to say any of this. I'm spending my hard-earned money on this program, and I can tell you that it's worth every last penny. I mean, come on, y'all. This is a game changer. Runway. I tip my hat to the staff at Runway. You guys have done an amazing job. Everyone check it out. It's your boy Romeo 615 videos. Y'all know I don't even be doing no hyping, no extra catfishing nobody. Like, if it's legit, I'm gonna call it like what it is. Fire.
Short film, not no little artsy stuff. Like
Fire.
some real deal stuff.
Peace.
Like, I want to do a little film though where it tackles some little hard issues. Also, might be a little tearjerker, but you know,
Yeah.
something I'm down for. So, without Runway